Hey there! Hello! Today I welcome my daughter Parita to my channel. How are you doing?
Good.
Okay, today we will be doing, not me, actually her. She will be doing makeup on me. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Kind of.
Kind of. She knows quite a bit of makeup, right? So she wanted to really try hands on me since a very long time, and today we will start. Let's go. And in case you're new to my channel, we have been there featured earlier also when both of us did makeup together. Don't forget to check that video as well. I do a lot of makeup reviews and tutorials as well as skincare regimes. You can see it, and lifestyle and much more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button below so that you don't miss on any of my videos. Now without doing any further ado, let's get started. So she will be doing priming my skin and prepping my skin. Yeah, let's just dab and on the other side. Good job. Yeah, so now we are done with the eye cream. She's prepping my skin before doing makeup. So this is the eye cream, and now we will be going to the face cream. My skin is now feeling very moisturized and plump. So we are ready to head to the makeup. Again, we will start with prepping the skin. After prepping the skin, we will apply a primer, and she is using MAC Prep and Prime. That's enough, yeah. Prime gives a nice luminous effect on the skin. I'm sure you can now see a little glow on my face compared to bare skin. And now she is going to correct my under eye area. Can you show the top part of the cover with Becca? And this is an eye corrector. So it's in a shade medium. Now she will be going ahead with the foundation palette. To maintain hygiene, it's always good to work on the palette to take out the products. How much? One pump is enough, it's enough. When you're working on some clients or any other person, you have to make sure that the hygiene is taken to the utmost priority. Now we'll be going ahead with concealing my eyes and the areas that need a little bit of coverage. So we are going with Kat Von D Lock E Primer. Always less is more, so you should start with applying less, and if needed you can apply on the second side also and then blend it all together. And then if needed you can always go and apply more product, but always start with less because we don't want to be ending it and looking cakey, right? Go as gentle as you can because it's an eye area, it's very sensitive and the skin is very thin as well. we will set up the concealer from Focalier. So we are going to set up the face with this powder, and you can set up the eyes as well. You can apply all over the eyes, and also on my face. So now we are gonna use Focalier Possibilities Eyeshadow, Endless Possibilities Eyeshadow Palette, and let's see what looks my daughter is gonna create with this. Have you decided something to do on me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what colors you're gonna choose. Should I close my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
This color is Poppy Peach.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it all over your eye.
Is that like a peach nude color that you're going to be setting up as a base?
Yeah.
All over my eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to go champagne.
Champagne? Okay. The inner corner of my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I'm going to take the mermaid tears.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to put the color rust.
Okay.
I'm going to put
Tap it. Always tap the color when you're taking it. Tap off the excess. Like this. Okay?
Okay. I'm going to put it on top of the Choco Feast.
So she'll be blending it to blend all the colors well on my crease. Always tap off the excess. Whenever you take any eyeshadow, always tap off the excess.
Okay, now I'm going to use the color Sandy Beach.
You can show the color.
This one.
Okay.
I'm going to put it.
Under the brow area.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the other side. You can check it out in the mirror.
Looks good. So far so good.
Now I need to put more.
I think you need to put more. Always start from here to here. Work on to here. Adding more of the eyeshadow. Yeah. It should clean up that area. Now we'll be using the Benefit Brow Contour Pro pencil on me. Let's go ahead.
And now we're going to use the lighter shade.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah, I think it's good enough.
And now we are going to use the deeper shade.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to here, right?
Yeah. Not from the front. Now you have to work on from here. Now we're going to be going ahead with the eyebrow pencil. She'll be just using the brush of Focalier to make sure my eyebrows are intact. Now she'll be doing my eyeliner. This is the focal layer, black eyeliner.
Okay, now we're gonna use the color Choco Face. Take this brush and I'm gonna use the color Panna Cotta
Okay.
so it doesn't be such a dark color on the eye. And you can check over that.
I'm fine. I trust you. I know you're doing a good job. What do you guys think? Let me know.
I guess that's good.
Now after that we will be doing the Marc Jacobs contouring or bronzer from here. Slowly just again tap off the excess please. You start from this thing slowly and work on. Yeah. Hit with the highlighter. Which color do you like?
I think
She is going to be using
that one.
the Pixie Beauty The Layers Highlighting Palette Glow On.
I
Which
think
one you wanna use? By Rach Loves.
I think this one.
You want this? Okay.
Which do you prefer?
I'm okay. It's your day today.
Okay, I'll take lace.
Okay, she'll take lace.
This is the color.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you will be doing on this area. Okay? The cheekbone here.
It ends here, right?
Yeah, everything below the eye, it ends. We are going into each and every detail. So even as a beginner, you can start with these basic steps. Now we will be using the lovely cookie blush from Etude Middle East. Always tap off the excess. Any product you take in makeup, always tap off the excess because less is more in makeup. So now then we want to clean off this part with the powder.
Yeah.
Okay, looks good.
Yeah.
Now we finish off with the lipstick quickly. Which lipstick you want to apply?
I like this one.
This is from the Laura Mercier. We are going to be using now the Laura Mercier lipstick. Which shade is that?
Play.
Okay, let's see.
It's right here.
Okay, let's try.
That's the color.
Okay. So you've chosen a nice color. Like it?
Yeah, looks good.
Okay. Now, are you going to be doing it with a lip liner?
Yeah.
Okay, where is the lip liner?
Yeah.
Can I have a look? Nice lipstick. And we will finish it off with a setting spray. We are going to be finishing it off with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
You have to close your eyes for that.
Okay. Put it from far.
Yeah.
Let it dry. And now, this is the finished look. So yes, I am going to be trying more of these looks. We'll be having more such videos coming up. Until next time, so we will be saying goodbye from both of us.